Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to fix if on your WhatsApp app says this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. So let's jump right in. On your device find any browser and open up. So in Google search write WhatsApp support and tap on first link contact WhatsApp. Then tap on contact us. And here scroll down, you should enter your country, tap on country and select your country, then enter your phone number. Now scroll down a little bit, here enter 2 times your email address, scroll down a little bit and select how do you use WhatsApp, Android, iPhone, web or desktop, iOS and others. So select one of these list and then scroll down, and here you should enter why your WhatsApp account was blocked. So you should write something like hello WhatsApp team, my WhatsApp account is blocked, I am sorry I installed a third-party app by mistake, please unblock my WhatsApp account immediately, thank you. Scroll down a little bit and tap on next step. Just wait answer from WhatsApp support.